Hello, in this quick video, we are going to talk very important DevOps tool. That is Kubernetes, which is also known as the container orchestration platform for DevOps. Let's start. First we need to understand, what is Kubernetes? Kubernetes is an open source platform for container orchestration that is widely used in DevOps environments. It was created by Google in 2014 and is now maintained by the Kubernetes community. Now, let's understand how it works. Kubernetes works by providing a platform for deploying, scaling, and managing containerized applications. It provides a declarative language for defining the desired state of an application and then uses automation to ensure that the application matches that state. Kubernetes also provides a web-based interface for managing applications. Now let's see how we can use it in production step by step. 1. Install Kubernetes on your server. 2. Define the desired state of your application using a Kubernetes manifest file. 3. Deploy your application using the kubectl apply command. 4. Monitor your application using the Kubernetes dashboard. 5. Scale your application using the kubectl scale command. Now, let's understand the use cases of Kubernetes. That will help in interview and day-to-day work. Kubernetes is used extensively in DevOps environments for deploying and managing containerized applications. Best practices for using Kubernetes include using a microservices architecture, using labels to organize resources, and using Helm charts to share and reuse configurations. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel for more learning resources for free. Also, you can connect with me on Telegram, Instagram @TechAcademy for free learning resources.